Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the Brothers Barn. I'm James. Isaac's up there on the roof, getting this roof cleaned. We're back at the lake. We've got about 3 more jobs to do. If you didn't check out our other video the other day from where we did 4 roofs, make sure you guys check that out. I'll put a link in the description below. We worked a long day the other day, so learned some stuff, had a couple issues. Make sure you check those out. But I'm down here trying to keep the grounds keeping stuff watered down for them so we don't have no problems. So we're going to show you some of the roof wash here in just a second, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. We truly appreciate it. Like I said, I'm down here just keeping everything watered right while Isaac's up on that roof and getting everything nice and clean. I got our garden hose up there spraying for me too. Trying to make things work for me, you know what I'm saying? Trying to make my job a little bit easier. But this shouldn't be too big of a deal. We'll go over there and make sure we got everything nice and soaked on that side. I just like to wet everything down. And then once we're done, I'll probably get rid of these leaves for this customer. Just an extra attaboy, that's all. Alright, go ahead. Alright, we're back to another job site. We're going to do this roof right here. Can't see it from this angle. And we got our barn over here. Garage to do. Got Isaac up on the roof. Somewhere up there hiding. I'm going to be down here watering everything. I'll give you guys a closer look, but again, right back on this beautiful lake. Look at that. Beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. So, let me flip the camera around and I'll show you guys what we're working with and get this job done. So we got that roof right there to take care of. Pretty good size roof. We got that little garage right there. It doesn't look so big, but it's actually pretty big up there. Got Isaac up there getting the hose dialed in. He's having super much fun up there in the roof. Just kind of give you guys a little close up of what we're dealing with up here. All that moss right there. Isaac's over there already starting. Pretty good long size roof right here. So we'll watch this moss go bye-bye soon. Some thick moss out there. So I gotta get down there and start wetting again. So I'm just trying to make sure everything stays wet while he's up there doing his thing. Look at it. Okay. Now we're on to that roof. Let's get her done, guys. Alright, it's our final roof for the night. Got Isaac up there blowing off the leaves. We just like to do that to kind of help make sure that it gets cleaned real good. I will say one thing though. While we was out here getting ready to start on these roofs, the guy said, hey, my neighbor wants a quote on that garage, the shed over there, that shed, and that house. So we're gonna give him another quote and try to get another job out of this deal. That'd be awesome. That'd make a very, very good weekend pay. So I'm gonna help him get the hose put up there so we can get this roof knocked out. We'll show you some action here in a minute. Look at that foam. Nice and sooty. That's what we like, buddy. Nice and sooty. That's what we like, buddy. Isaac thinks I'm a retard.
Do what? I ain't hear you.
I said nice and sooty. That's what we like, buddy.
Oh, yeah, keep this good going.
I said Isaac thinks I'm a retard.
Indiana Sutters.
Indiana Sutters. Changing the business name.
Yeah. It's all sutted up.
I'm gonna watch this moth get killed like instantly. You want me to take some of this hose down? Hi, Moss. Have a nice life. Starting to look good. It's killing that algae pretty quick. It's what we like to see. I thought you slipped, bro.
Bad trip. About seen me fall off the roof.
That's what I thought. I was like, oh shit, man down.
That's only what? 15 feet maybe down?
Yeah.
I would live.
It's down there a minute.
Soaking it nice and good, getting a good even layer on here.
That's right, that's what we like.
Trying to get it covered nice, even.
Alright, we got the roof all cleaned. It's dying off, so give it about 5 minutes or so and all this moss will be dead. It's already turning white. Take a couple pictures for the customer, wrap it up, and we'll call this a done deal.
Everybody's got racetracks out here.
Alright guys, we just got done finishing up 3 roofs today, right Isaac?
Yep, we got 3 of them done.
3 roofs. We started probably around 12:30, 1 o'clock, and it is 5:30 right now, so you know, probably around 4, maybe 5 hours worth of work. But we We sent the quote to the customer. They seen some of the work. They seem really pleased with what they've seen so far with how the roofs came out. So that's good. And while we was out there at one of the customers' houses, he said his neighbor was wanting a quote. So we're going to send that quote here in a minute, and then hopefully we'll be out again and do another 3 roofs just right there in that one spot. But I think we're going to call it done for today. We're going to get home and pack, get showers.
It's been a long weekend.
Long weekend, big payday weekend for us.
Good payday.
Good payday. So, you guys want to, you can comment what you think we got paid for on these jobs, or what we should have got paid for on these jobs. And until the next video, you guys take it easy, and we'll see you later. Peace.
See ya.